Our general thesis behind GameSwift, and which laid the whole foundation for the further development, was that we need to process the whole blockchain technology underneath. Because the future of Web3 gaming adoption, in our opinion, is based on blockchain technology being processed in the way which is invisible and maximum user-friendly. So on our platform, there is no gas fees. You don't need to care on which chain the game is based on. You don't need to care about the blockchain technology. You can simply sign in using your Google or Apple ID, and that's it. That's the first and the last step, which is needed to download and play the game. Then, since you are in the game, you can earn or purchase some in-game assets. And the cool thing is, you don't need to have crypto wallet for that. You don't need to connect it because it has been automatically created at the stage of signing in. So once you've been signing in using your Gmail, your personal crypto wallet was automatically created and it processes every transaction underneath, and this is a safe custody for you. What's more, you can easily trade those in-game assets because gaming is not only about the earning, but also about spending. Those gaming products, they are generating a really high revenue every year. So you might be willing to purchase some, I don't know, skin, battle pass, or premium currency, which is tokenized in the form of NFT. Thanks to GameSwift, it will be very easy to do because you don't need to have, let's say, Casper token on your wallet in order to purchase those in-game assets. You can do it just using your PayPal, your debit card, your fiat. Of course, you can also do it with your crypto. We are Web3 friendly, we are all about blockchain. But our thing is that we are processing this in the way which is very user-friendly. So that's, in my opinion, the massive use case for the Casper blockchain. This basically means that Casper chain will be visible like any other blockchain, which is basically cutting the gap for the massive adoption for gaming developers building on Casper. They will not need to worry that, okay, on Casper is a little bit smaller than, I don't know, Arbitrum. Now there's a hype for Arbitrum, so maybe I will make my game on Arbitrum rather than Casper. I like this guys, I like this ecosystem, but Arbitrum right now has better hype. No, with GameSwift, games on Arbitrum will be visible in the same way like the games from Casper. So this is creating a very good program for any developers, but also for the users building on Casper chain.
I saw that the implementation of Casper blockchain is visible on GitHub. So can you tell us what you're going to deliver, what
Yes.
you're going to implement?
Yes, obviously. So right now our platform is at the alpha version. So what you can do is you can receive access for the whole gaming library. You can easily download the game. Our launcher will not only download the game, but also upload the latest version of the game. But now we are entering the phase where we are doing on-chain integration. So we are going to deliver games with built-in wallet, which is going to be multi-chain. And within our grant, we are going to integrate this wallet with the whole Casper chain. You can keep the track of this development on our GitHub, and we expect that it is a matter of couple of weeks. Basically, we are planning to finish the whole development of the platform until the late second quarter this year. So until June, this should be production ready, and this will be a massive milestone for the whole gaming on the Casper chain.
That was simple. Is it simple to get a grant from the Casper Association?
No, it wasn't. I need to admit that I have very good experience with the business development team of the Casper blockchain. But they were a tough negotiator. There were a lot of milestones to deliver, but I really appreciate that because in the crypto space, there are a lot of projects which could be called as the grant farmers or something like that. So I really appreciate that Casper is not granting their funds, which are the funds of the DAO, the funds of the community, for whoever. There are specific KPIs, specific milestones, and I think this is a very good sign that Casper team is very experienced in the grant approval process.
Okay. Are you guys implementing Casper Wallet, open beta Casper Wallet?
We are not about the Casper wallets. Basically, yes and no, because from one side, the Casper wallet will be available to connect to our platform because there are some specific use cases for it. But at the same time, we are we don't want to overwhelm our gamers, especially those non-crypto oriented, with any wallet. So they will be able to sign in just using Google or Apple ID. And what will be underneath is the built-in wallet, which is only on the platform. And this wallet will be integrated with the Casper chain. But if you are, let's say, crypto veteran who prefer to connect his own wallet, then Casper wallet will be available in the future to be connected as well, along with MetaMask and some other wallets.
Okay, because it's about the custody, right?
Yes, exactly, because there is a big debate in the crypto space whether custody or non-custodial wallets are better. And both of them have their pros and cons. From the one side, non-custodial wallets are providing you with the full ownership of what you store on them. But at the same time, the problem is there is much worse user experience than with the custodial ones. Because, okay, you are in the full ownership, but you need to take care of the gas fees. You need to know how to navigate, how to connect the wallet, how to take care of your security. And this is why, when you think about the biggest platform in the blockchain space operating, what is this? It is probably Binance and Coinbase. They have more than 100 million users.
Yeah.
And this is due to the fact that they don't need to care about custody. They are just creating the account, and they have access for every single token, regardless of the chain. They can trade the tokens from Arbitrum, and they don't need to have MetaMask and Ethereum on their wallet. So that's also the case with our solution. So this is how we see the blockchain adoption. So this is why we decided to start with the custody wallet, which do not require from you to take care of the gas fees, which could be multi-chain, and which is not requiring you and forcing you, for example, to go to the external application while playing the game and confirm that, now I am spending in the game this NFT for the sake of, unlocking access for this gate. With the non-custodial wallets, this is the case. So we are starting with custodial solution, but we rather call it the hybrid of custodial and non-custodial wallet. And this means that over the time, we are educating our gamers what are the pros of having their own non-custodial wallet. We are educating them how to take care of their gas fees, so they are able to connect their own non-custodial wallet, and it will be integrated with the platform. But I expect that most of the newcomers, most of the gamers, will be happy to start with the custodial-based wallet because it is much easier.
Okay, nice. Mrinal Manohar, CEO of the Casper Labs, said in a Casper Hotless Telegram group that there is some game in production, AAA game, but I don't know the name. Maybe you guys chatted about that. But I'm waiting for that game. I want that game to be integrated into a GameSwift platform. Finger crossed.
Yes, you can keep your fingers crossed. I cannot also reveal any names or any details, but I'm really happy that Casper Business Development Team has successfully delivered such a big game for the chain, and I believe that it will be not only GameSwift but also the whole Casper chain to benefit from that.
Okay, nice. Okay, if you need any more information, check the description. You can find the link to GameSwift and to the GitHub when you can find more information about implementing Casper blockchain. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.